Hi everyone, it's Miss India here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Pocket Rocket STEAM project. You will need a small and a big straw. You will need scissors. You'll also need markers, tape, white thin computer paper. All these items you will need to create your ultimate pocket rocket launch. And we're going to start by gathering all our supplies. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a few minutes. But before you go and gather your supplies, if you do not have any computer paper, you may use thin line paper. You will just have to adjust. And if you don't have markers, you can use crayons or colored pencils. So let's get ready to start. For step 1, you're going to draw your rocket and color it. Yes, you may use your colored pencils, crayons, or markers, or leave it blank. Be as creative as you would like. This is my rocket. Step 2, cut your rocket out. This entire project takes no longer than 5 to 10 minutes to create. Please do not worry about your rocket paper being too thin or curling up at the end. You'll see why later on in the video. Now that I'm almost done, I'm going to show you what my rocket looks like. Step 3 is a rather easy step. You grab a pair of scissors and cut the bottom of your big straw. If you need help, don't forget to ask an adult to help you with scissors, especially if you're really small. Step 4, tape the top of the smaller straw, just like this. When you tape the straw, make sure that you close the straw with the tape and that no air is able to get through the tape portion of the straw. Step 5. Insert the open end of the smaller straw into the bigger straw, but only halfway. Step 6. Tape the straw from left to right to the back of the rocket. You will do this process about 3 times. You will be taping it to the smaller straw. Tape is preferred, but if you do not have tape and need to improvise, you may use tacky glue. The purpose of the tape/tacky glue is to adhere the paper rocket to the straw so that when you blow into the bottom of the straw, it stays attached. And voila, there you have it, the pocket rocket. Let's get ready to try to practice our launch. Step 7, time for blast off. T-3, T-2, T-1.
Blast off!
Thank you for watching, guys. It's always a pleasure to have you here with us. Don't forget to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until next time. Toodaloo, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.